Hey there, and welcome to Crochet Therapy. I'm Barbara, your host for this episode of Morning Coffee and Crochet. And as promised, I did find a new Christmas mug, Christmas in July. It says, "Let it snow." And oh, if only. I would love some snow right now. That would be wonderful. So as it is, it's not snowing. It's very warm, very muggy, but that's okay because everything has a season. And this is the hot season. So we will just embrace the hotness and wait for fall. Of course, in Florida, we don't really get a fall. We just get a less hot summer. And then our winter, well, that remains to be seen. Sometimes we get a nice cold winter, sometimes not. So anyway, our Monday morning motivation this morning, I'm sorry, I'm a little more low-key than normal. And I'll tell you why in just a minute. Our Monday morning motivation is going to be very simple. It's going to be Monday motivation with a mission. And my mission right now is to do something for someone who has not asked me to do it, something that hopefully will be helpful, something that will hopefully bless them. And my sweet sister-in-law just recently acquired the family cabin in the Great Smoky Mountains. She and her husband purchased it. And this is a cabin that was built by my sweet sister-in-law, my husband, our brother and sister. And it was built by their parents many years ago. And it was built by hand with love and a lot of perseverance. And it's just a wonderful retreat to go when you're feeling beat up by the world. So, sorry. So, this is just a place that is so peaceful. And so I have a mission. They have been battling wasps for a long, long time. So I wanted to make a crochet wasp nest for them. Sorry, this is like, I'm feeling all the feels this morning. Sorry about that. But crochet is helping me, and the mountains are helping me. My husband is helping me. So what I wanted to do was to do something for her that she didn't expect, she didn't ask for. So I made a wasp nest, and I already made one. And this is my second one. It looks kind of funny, I know. But my purpose was to make it look a little wonky. I'm going to take a sip and then put this down. I'm just going to have to put it on the deck. I don't have a table out here. I didn't bring one out. And so this is the wasp nest, and as you can see, it's wonky. It has bumps. It gets bigger in one area, like right here, and right here I did decreases right here so that it would have a little bit of a lump. And this is so easy. You really don't need to follow a tutorial. I know that there are tutorials and instructions out there, but let me tell you how to make it. You don't need to follow a tutorial. You just need to just feel it and crochet it. Okay, so make a magic circle. If you don't know how to make a magic circle, that's okay. I have tutorials on how to make a magic circle if you're interested, and there are tons of them out there. If you don't want to make a magic circle, that's okay. Chain 4 and then connect the loop, and then crochet 8 single crochets in that loop. Later on, we'll pull that loop together to make it tight. That's easy to do. It's not a problem. And then what you do is the next row, you do 2 single crochets in each stitch around. So then you have 16. And then what I would do is do just a couple rows of 16 around, 1 single crochet in each stitch. And then I would do another increase row and do it however you want. You don't have to follow a pattern. You don't have to follow the rule of, the first row, you single crochet twice and then single crochet twice, single crochet twice, and then the next one, single crochet twice, single, single, twice, single, single. You don't have to follow that rule because we're not just trying to make just an even. This is supposed to look natural. It's supposed to look, it's supposed to mimic the shape of a wasp nest, a very large wasp nest. So just crochet around. If you feel like it needs to be wider, do some increased stitches. So you can see this is where I started this row, and I ran out of yarn, so I'm going to have to add some more and finish that row. But you can see this was an increase right here. Oh, sorry, I feel like I have a spider on me. Possibly do. Out here, you never know. So anyway, this is something I've already made one. I think I told you that, and my sweet husband hung it at the front porch. There were a lot of wasps out there. He knocked down a nest that was this big, so it doesn't take long for them to really get their nests going. So we're putting this up so that they can scoot along, go somewhere else, do their business somewhere else, build a nest in one of the millions of trees around here. They don't need to be building it at the cabin door, at the front door. Quite a few people have been stung by these lovely little wasps, including me. So we need to encourage them to move along. So that's my mission, and that's what I want to share with you today. I don't have any deep words to share with you. I don't have any deep thoughts to share with you. I'm just hanging in there, and I hope that you are too. And I hope that your Monday goes well. If you like, pull up a seat and sit with me for a little bit and crochet and enjoy the sounds of nature, and every now and then the sound of a car going by on these little tiny mountain roads. A lot of them are workers, and they're out here cleaning cabins or doing repairs or building cabins, or who knows what they're doing. There's always something to be done, isn't there? The essential workers. Yes. And I believe that we're all essential in this world. We're all important in our own way, and sometimes people forget that, and sometimes they tread a little too hard on you. And so for that, we just need to offer grace and forgiveness, and remember that we're all just trying to make it through the best we can, and none of us are perfect. The world has enough troubles without us creating more. So Anyway, I hope that you have a great week. I hope that you stay safe and be kind and get hooking. Bye, everybody.